The ongoing cost of Algorand is around 19 cents. According to our Algo coin cost expectation, it is gauged that the greatest cost for the coin might be around 47 cents with a base cost of 17 cents. By the time it is 2025, our Algorand cost expectation recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 75 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 52 cents. If the ongoing force proceeds and the Algo crypto can get consideration, it might cross the $2 mark by 2030. Our Algorand estimate shows that the most extreme cost might be $2.50, with a base cost of $1.50. The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The Algo token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. Be that as it may, starting from the start of this current year, the Algorand cost has been on a recuperation mode in the midst of positive market feelings. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the coin will carve out opportunity to recover its lost force and turn beneficial. Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand is a cutting-edge blockchain known as Blockchain 3.0 for its creative utilization of haphazardness to settle the blockchain trilemma, guaranteeing security, versatility, and decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and financial experts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Thus, they authored the advantage of utilizing confirmation of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement system and block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand. The Algo token Algorand organization's group has created interface libraries that will be a pioneer. The organization likewise brought an interesting token Algo that is currently a significant hit at the eminent trades coordinating the speed with other digital currencies. Vantage Algo. The tremendous potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most minimal charges. Algorand's shrewd agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are coordinated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, conclusiveness, security, and cost adequacy. AS can consequently implement custom principles and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. AS are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. Algo coin is a digital money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand-savvy contracts as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, exhibiting the future. The strength of Algorand lies in its system, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the Algo token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana according to their declaration to give upgraded interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that merchants that are utilizing Sparkle can share their computerized tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Why is Algorand known as the Ethereum executioner? Ethereum will relocate from POW to POS, while Algorand utilizes the unadulterated confirmation of stake system. This implies Algorand overwhelms regarding versatility, and these elements will certainly help the Algorand cost rise. In any case, brokers ought to allude to Ethereum cost expectation and Algorand figures prior to going into any of digital forms of money. The current cost of Algorand waits around 19 cents with a market capitalization of $1,393,720,988 with a circling supply of $7,230,198,467 Algo. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change regardless. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This procedure can assist financial backers with making a transient benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, we should concentrate on the value history of the token. Toward the finish of 2019, The Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recovered its lost energy. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some highs and lows, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Algorand Value Expectation 2023 as per Algorand Expectation 2023. With any progressions in arrangements and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of murky days at its cost showing some obstruction. According to our Algorand cost gauge, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 33 cents with a greatest cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. ALGO Coin Value Expectation 2024 assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials. The ALGO coin could reflect enormous development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents, which is plus 43% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025 Algorand has previously taken on the POS component and accordingly has colossal development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Expectation 2026 having seen a tremendous DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand. The organization is very famous, with various ventures based on it, given the progressions are kept up with. The Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. ALGO Value Expectation 2027 with organizations and local area financing. The business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18. Which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand figure, yet most likely plausible as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. ALGO Crypto Value Expectation 2028 in view of the expectations. The ALGO coin might have a base cost of 96 cents with a greatest cost of $1.38 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.17 in light of our ALGO gauge. ALGO Value Forecast 2029 of every 2029. The ALGO coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.18 to $1.70, where the previous is the most minimal cost, and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, our